In this video, I am going to show you how to cancel your YouTube TV membership step by step. If you've decided to cancel your subscription, the process is straightforward but important to follow carefully to avoid unexpected charges. Start by logging in to your YouTube TV account on the website or app. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, go to the Membership section and choose Cancel Membership. You may be asked to provide feedback about why you're canceling. This step is optional, but it can help YouTube TV improve their service. After confirming your decision, you'll retain access to your subscription until the end of your current billing cycle, so you won't lose access immediately. Keep in mind that canceling your membership will delete all your cloud DVR recordings and scheduled shows, so make sure to download any important content if possible. If you change your mind later, you can resubscribe at any time by signing back up with the same email address. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to cancel your YouTube TV membership, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.